So we got some leaked images of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Yeah, I know. Weird. And then the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. And then the Galaxy Z Flip 8 Regular. I don't think there's going to be two different versions of Z Flip 8. But for the Z Fold 8 Ultra, what are we doing? Like, are we just going back to how it used to be where the, outside display is just long and narrow instead of it being just like a candy bar cell phone on the outside with it, foldable display inside? I don't know what's going on there. And then we have the wide, which isn't too wide. It kind of looks like a passport phone, for being honest. But only 2-camera setup. So now I'm wondering, how much is this going to actually cost? And obviously the Z Fold 8 Ultra is going to cost, whatever. By the way, the wide is just called the Z Fold 8. It's not called like the Z Fold Wide or whatever. It's called Z Fold 8 is going to be the wide one. The Ultra is going to be the middle one. And then the Flip is going to be the left one. This is a better example of the outside display and what it looks like. Again, maybe it's just looks different because of it being next to the wide version. But, oh man, I don't know how I feel about that. I was so happy we got away from having a long, narrow outside display in the Z Fold series. And I was so happy we finally started going toward more of a, candy bar cell phone type concept. Where you have the best of both worlds. You close your phone, you have a candy bar cell phone. You open it up, you have a foldable cell phone. You have a tablet. It is what it is, though. I'm sure I'm just over-analyzing this, and it's going to be, normal in the end. It says, right here that the Ultra is going to be less broad than the clamshell, coming in at 72.88 millimeters, while the Z Fold 8 spans out 82.2 millimeters, making it 6.8 millimeters or 0.27 inches wider than the Z Flip 8. So, I mean, that's a good thing. It's going to give you a bigger inside display, but that's usually how that works. The bigger the outside display is, the bigger the inside display is. So, again, maybe I'm just overreacting to this, but this just looks like long, narrow, and back to the Z Fold 5 days. And Z Fold 4, actually. But taking a look at this one, I'm going to hold my judgment until we actually get more images of the wide version. Because that kind of does give me reminder of the Surface Duo 1 or 2. Which I love those devices. I still own and use those devices every day. So, I kind of love this concept. Doesn't go 360 degrees, which sucks because that's, again, why Surface Duo 1 2 is so cool. But it's still a very good looking device and, kind of gives me that same resemblance in a way. But, yeah. We'll see how everything shakes out. So, this is not coming out, until mid-next month. So, I'm surprised we don't have more images of this or more leaks of this. I mean, we have a lot of leaks, but I'm surprised we don't have even more. Anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one.